Hello guys, this is Vic and Phil channel. Guys, if you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today we are doing a Bible trivia challenge with my wife here. Now we are going to start from Genesis to Revelation. Okay, now are you ready? Okay, let's start in 2, 3, 1. Let's go.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, First and Second Samuel, First and Second Kings,
Okay.
Ezra, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Songs of Solomon, okay, Psalms, Proverbs, Isaiah, okay, Hosea, Hosea, Amos,
Another one.
Leviticus. Leviticus nilikuwa nishasema. Ecclesiastes. Gani ingine? Na is in the New Testament.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st, 2nd Corinthians,
Hebrews.
Yeah, Hebrews. 1st, 2nd, 3rd John, Philemon, Thessalonians, Colossians. Yeah. Colossians, kuna Timothy, 1st and 2nd Timothy. Kuna, I've said Philemon, kuna Jude. Na Revelation. Hizo ni ngapi nimesema akishuali? Hey. Siku moja nilikuwa nazijua, imagine.
That's wonderful. That's great. That's great. Now my turn.
Yeah.
Now me, I'll go slowly so that I don't forget.
So you know all of them?
No, I don't know all of them. Yeah, I don't know all of them, but I'll try. So we start with Genesis. So you count.
Yeah.
So we start with Genesis. We go to Exodus. We go to Numbers. We go to Leviticus. We go to Deuteronomy. After Deuteronomy, we go to 1st Samuel, 2nd Samuel. After 1st Samuel and 2nd Samuel, we enter into Judges. So we have Judges. After Judges, we enter into 1st Kings, 2nd Kings. So after 1st Kings, 2nd Kings, we enter into the book of, we start now Psalms. After Psalms, we go to Proverbs. So after Proverbs, we go to Songs of Solomon. After Songs of Solomon, we go to Ecclesiastes. Then after Ecclesiastes, now we enter into prophets. Okay, so the prophets, we have Daniel. We have Daniel. Then we have Jeremiah. We have
Jeremiah sijasema.
We have Nehemiah. We have Ezra. We have Amos. We have Ezekiel. We have I think Obadiah. We have Habakkuk. We have Malachi. Hizo ni ngapi?
17.
Those are 17. 17. 17. No. Did I say 1st Samuel and 2nd Samuel?
Yeah, you said. Okay. Na hiyo ni kitabu moja. Hizo si mbili.
No. It's okay. So after that, okay, I forgot one now. We go to Ruth. We have Esther. Okay, we have Ruth, we have Esther, and we have Malachi.
Malachi umesema.
So those are 20.
Hizo ni 19.
Sure.
Yeah.
Those are 19. So I'm forgetting 7. Eh? 7.
Continue. Endelea.
Saba. The beginning is the New Testament. Old Testament has 39 books. New Testament has 27 books. Total 36. So niko 19. forgotten nini. Yo. Abba, it is where. Let's go to the New Testament. So we start with Matthew. We go to after Matthew, we go to Matthew, John. No, John the Musho. Matthew, Luke. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Then we enter Acts of the Apostles. Then after Acts of the Apostles, we enter Romans. So after Romans, we enter, after Warumi, we enter, now it's called the Corinthians, the first and the second. After first and the second Corinthians, we enter Colossians. After Colossians, we enter Ephesians. After Ephesians, we have First Peter, Second Peter. We have First Peter, Second Peter. Then after First Peter, Second Peter, we have Jude. We have First John, Second John, Third John. We have Philemon. Yeah, is it Philemon? Is the Bible? We have Philemon. Then after that one, we have Jude. The last one is Revelation. So there is one that I'm forgetting. There is one. Thessalonians. Did I say Thessalonians? Ephesians. Did I say Ephesians? So we have the Ephesians there. We have the Second Peter, First Peter. I'm confused somewhere, but I don't know where I'm being confused. But tonight I'm starting that program so that we flow well. I did forget the flow because kuna venye was in a flow. You see, kuna venye was in a flow. For example, when you start from Genesis, you start with it's called what? We have the Nini, then you go to the poetic books like that. Then we have the kings, then the judges. So like for example, you start from First Kings, Second Kings. After the kings, you go to. So after judges, you go to kings because Israelites were looking for judges first. So after judges, you go to kings. After kings, you go to prophets. So that is where the Nehemiah is, the Jeremiah and the Ezekiel. We have the major prophets, we have the minor prophets. So the minor prophets are the Kina Ezekiel and not Ezekiel, the Amos, the Habakkuk and the smaller one, the Amos. Yeah. So those are the small, but that challenge, metogonga 10 we have not flown. So bring your Bible, we follow. We see venye na flow. Tuone ni gani tuja mention. So number 1, we start with Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, take Joshua, Judges, then Ruth,
First and Second Samuel, First and Second Kings, First and Second Chronicles, Ezra,
yes,
Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Proverbs, Nyamaza, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Songs, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation. Lamentation
yeah, you are going to walk.
Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah,
Jonah,
Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, First and Second Corinthians, Galatians,
I forgot that one.
Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians.
Philemon, Philippians.
Na si pia kuna Philemon.
Philemon yeko, yeah.
First and Second Thessalonians, First and Second Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, First, Second Peter, First, Second, Third John, Jude and Revelation.
Yo, we forgot it. Ni kidogo tu tulisahau. So guys, let's hear your views in the comment section. Tuone ya kwamba if you also you can do the same challenge.
Yeah.
Challenge, yes, you can do the same challenge. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Continue subscribing.
No, not road to 1,000. Road to 500. Hatujafika hadi 500. Na unasema 1,000.
Okay,
Ama 250. Road to 250. What can we see?
Tuanzie tu hapo.
Yeah. Surely.
Thank you guys. Bye.